your Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in your Windows 11, then I've got you. Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and let's jump right in. For the first fix, we will be going through the network connections. So in the Start menu, search for View Network Connections and open it. Click on your Wi-Fi and go to its properties. Here, click on this Configure button and a new dialog box will appear. And from this box, go to Power Management. Here, just uncheck this. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. And after that, if it still doesn't work, then we have a next fix. Just go to your network connection here, click on this arrow and go to its properties. So make sure that you have your network profile as private. If it's public, just make sure you have select this private network option in your PC. So if this also doesn't work, go back to your network connections and go to its properties again. Here, click on this configure button and in advanced, if you see 802.11n option, then just make sure you enable it. Now after that, click on OK and let's move to the last fix. So for this, you will be needing to go to Services and the Start menu, type Services and open it. Here you need to find WLAN Auto Config. So here, right click on it and go to its properties. Here, make sure you have your startup type as automatic, and if it's not running, then click on Start, Apply, and OK. I hope all of these fixes will help you with your problem. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.